The Stormblood dog?
It looks like a Stormblood dog.
He's barking.
Okay.
Ooh, treasure coffer. Ooh, something good. Well, I tried asking, it didn't. What the fuck is that?
That's him.
Go get in there.
I'm casting.
Casting! I'm casting.
That didn't do very much damage.
Oh. Kuseb just said good luck, so that's pretty good sign.
I've done this one before.
Wait a minute. Oh, you have to look at this one and then look away. Aha! Woo!
He's farting.
Stop farting!
This is a raid wide.
Okay. This is a raid wide. Okay. Get nip away. There we go.
It's like the last boss of Drakengard.
Oh my god.
Be in front of it. Clear!
Watch out! Oh god. That's the second time I went to go scratch my face real quick and drop the AoE. Did a third one that time. Widening twin flame. Ah!
And
Oh! I died.
uh-oh. That's not good.